Hello, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, why are amides having higher precedence compared to amines?
Mm, that is mostly giving based on electron withdrawing nature. If molecule having high electronegative
Sir, your
elements,
voice is very low.
okay, if molecule having high electronegative elements, that having high preference.
Sir, but N also has high electronegativity, right?
So amine is R bond NH2, right?
Yes, sir, amine. Yes, sir.
Amide is
The O is also there with it.
this having more withdrawing nature, electron withdrawing nature. That's why C double bond having.
So much difference, sir.
Hmm?
Like amide is somewhere and amine is somewhere.
What?
Sir, like in precedence,
Uh,
amide is like in fifth, then
yeah.
amine is somewhere in 10th.
Yes, yes. Much difference is there. C double bond O group is electron withdrawing group. Here, not just by saying only electron negativity, that having ability to withdraw electron density, it comes in electron displacements concept. C double bond O group
Here,
contain acids also having aldehydes, ketones having C double bond O group. That's what they're having high preference.
sir, also one more doubt.
Hmm.
Sir, sir, why is sulfonic, like, by the same concept, why is sulfonic acid placed after C double, two
That is
COOH?
still controversial, but in our book it is given like this. But in some books, sulfonic acid having high preference is giving
Sir,
RSO3H. No,
yes, sir, we see SO3H is more electronegative, no, sir.
what H is more electronegative or oxygen is more electronegative?
Sir, I'm saying the whole thing itself is more electronegative.
Hmm.
Yes, sir, compared to COOH.
Hmm. That's what I'm trying to say. Still controversial. In some books, it is giving it having first preference then acid, but in our NCRT given acid having high preference than SO3H. Okay, we're following this only, but we don't have much compounds, not much compounds related to sulfonic acid. Okay. Okay, I'm writing some compounds. This having branched chains. See how to give IUPAC name, and then we'll go to ring compounds like benzene and substituted benzenes. Write some group names, alkyl chain groups. CH, CH3, CH3. This name is Isopropyl. So this is also using as a secondary prefix only. Next, a secondary butyl.
Sir, what are these called?
This is alkyl chain. Suppose CH3 is there, we are calling methyl. C2H5 is there, we are calling ethyl. So like if this kind of group is attached, we are calling that is isopropyl. Isopropyl. This is secondary butyl. Yeah, tell me. That is secondary butyl.
Sir, why is the dash?
That is linked to some other chain.
No, sir. Like SEC dash.
Okay. This is secondary carbon where this writing like this secondary butyl. I will discuss about this, how to give primary, secondary, tertiaries.
Okay, sir.
This is isobutyl. This is a tertiary butyl. This is neopentyl. Okay, then write this one. This example. CH3, CH2, bond CH2, CH, CH3, CH3, CH, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. No, 5 we have to get CH2, CH3. See how to give this I. First select longest carbon chain. Selection of longest carbon chain. This only.
So 10.
10 carbons. Okay, from numbering, which say left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Left to
Left
right.
to right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah. Fourth position, some group is there. What is that group name? Name of this group. CH attached to CH3 and CH3. What is this group name?
Sir, isopropyl.
Isopropyl.
Isopropyl. So, right, 4 isopropyl. Then at fifth position, group name. Right, what is that group name?
Isopentyl?
No. Where is
Sir,
isopentyl?
secondary butyl.
4 carbons only there in this. See, 1, 2, 3,
Butyl.
4.
Isobutyl.
Secondary butyl.
Isobutyl or secondary butyl?
Sir, secondary butyl.
Secondary butyl. Isobutyl is different. Small difference is there. Identify that difference. If the CH3 is coming here, then that comes under isobutyl. This is secondary butyl. Secondary butyl. This name over, then 10 carbons, a decane. So, or another name also there. Okay, note down this name. I will give another one that's little complicated. Another one.
Sir, how to identify these substituents?
Which substituent?
Sir, like the secondary butyl, how to identify it is secondary butyl or isobutyl and etc.
That's just name those are. Secondary butyl means if carbon is linked to two sides carbon chain, that's calling secondary.
Sir, we don't see the letters, right? Like which letter comes first that we will name first or something.
Yeah, you are correct. Correct. Which one comes? Propyl or butyl?
Butyl.
Butyl, right. First write 5 secondary butyl, then 4 isopropyl, then decane. Correct.
Sir, this is the second name.
No. This is the actual correct name. This is a wrong name here. We didn't follow alphabetical order. This is the correct name. 5 secondary. Here butyl first comes, then propyl only. So 5 secondary butyl, 4 isopropyl, decane. This is the correct name. This is just to keep, if you write, just keep it wrong. Okay, if you complete, then carefully listen how to give another naming. See, whenever longest carbon chain simply attached methyl or ethyl, we are calling their side chains. Side chains. But these are, okay, attached something chain, but that having further chains, these are called branched chains. These are simple side chains. If they're this kind of chains, these are called branched chains. So, in this case, we have to give numbering to this branched chain also. Parent carbon chain, we are giving number 1, 2, 3 up to 10. In this branched chains, we are selecting the longest carbon chain, and to those giving numbering 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, like this. Okay, now see how to give. Fifth carbon in the parent carbon chain, fifth carbon attached to this chain. Here we have to select the longest carbon chain. The carbon which is attached to parent carbon chain, that is giving as 1 prime. Then if we come this side, just 2 prime. But longest carbon chain is this side. So 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime. Here also, we have to select longest carbon chain. The fourth carbon attached carbon is 1 prime. This carbon is 2 prime. Now naming is 5, open bracket. These branched chain names we have to write in bracket. 1' it is attached to methyl. 1' at 1' position methyl is there. So 1' methyl. Then full name of this 3 carbons, propyl.
Propyl.
Don't write propane, write propyl only, close bracket. So this is 1 methyl, 1' methyl and propyl. Next, write this.
Can you explain this once more?
Okay, full. Listen first of all. Later I will explain after finishing. That 4th carbon, open bracket. Here also 1' carbon attached to methyl. So 1' methyl. And here also longest carbon chain having only 2 carbons. That's what ethyl. Close bracket. Then name of parent carbon chain is decane. That's all. Keshav?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Risha, tell me.
Sir, so while naming the branch chains, we first supposed to write the substituent of the branch chain, then the name of the like the parent chain, I guess.
No. First we are writing this branched chain names only we are writing after parent carbon chain.
No, I mean like in the branch chain, which is the longest.
The branched chain, first writing substituent only. So it is the branched chain. Yes, here also the parent carbon chain attached carbon we are giving 1'. And select the here also longest carbon chain, either this side or this side. This side only long carbon chain. So 1', 2', 3'. And then 1' is attached to methyl. Now this becomes side chain. So 1' methyl, then propyl. First always writing side chain names only.
Okay, sir.
I'll give one more molecule, try this. What about Asmi?
Yeah, so can you
Can you
explain
explain
once
again?
more? Yeah.
Okay. So first we have to identify the molecule having side chains or branched chains. Side chain means simple, only methyl, ethyl attaches. We are calling the side chains. Or if it is any straight chain like propyl chain also, straight propyl chain also attached, that we can call side chain only. This is the parent carbon chain, attached side chain. Suppose this side chain further having any groups, then we are calling this now not side chain. This is calling branched chain. In case of branched chain, this is a branch. This is also branch. So in the branched chain, the carbon that is linked to parent carbon chain, the carbon that is linked to parent carbon chain, we are giving 1'. 1'. And then here also selecting longest carbon chain. This is only longest carbon chain. This side, not this side. This side is the longest carbon chain. 1', 2', 3'. Next, how to give name here? 5, open bracket. At 1' position, methyl is there. So 1' methyl. And this 3 carbons, name is propyl, close bracket. Then come to this branches. This carbon attached to parent carbon chain. That's what.
So we
1'.
don't take the 4th carbon under consideration, the H3C carbon,
H3.
the one in the branch chain only.
This.
Yes, sir.
Consider now. But this is right now here, wrote now here, methyl group. That is attached to 1'. The CH3 is attached to 1'. That's what giving methyl.
Oh, okay. Okay, sir.
Here also, this methyl is attached to 1'. I wrote here 1' methyl.
Yeah. Got it.
Methyl.
Got it, sir.
Okay, I'll give second example. Try this. CH3, CH2, 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 CH, CH2, 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 CH3. try this.
Sir,
Tell me.
left to right.
Left to right.
1 second.
Okay, left to right.
So anyway, it would be the same.
What is this full group name?
Neopentyl.
Neopentyl, right? I gave
Yes, sir.
again 5 structure. This name is neopentyl. So you can write directly 5 neopentyl. Nonane. Okay, that is one type. And like this also write name.
Sir, 5 2 prime.
5 5 2 prime 5 open bracket, right?
Yes, sir.
5 2 prime
Dimethyl.
2 prime 2 prime 2 times you have to write, no?
Yes, sir. 2 prime methyl propyl nonene.
2 prime 2 prime.
So can we just write dimethyl? No.
Very good, sir, correct. 2 prime 2 prime dimethyl. 2 methyls are
Yes,
there.
sir.
Then
Propyl nonene.
okay. Fifth position is there, so 5 open bracket. This carbon attached to fifth carbon. This is 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime. This is only longest carbon chain. 2 prime methyls are there. That's what 2 prime comma 2 prime dimethyl. Not visible.
No, sir.
5 2 prime comma 2 prime dimethyl. This methyl name over. Then this is the longest carbon chain, no? In branched chain 3 carbons are there. That's what, right? Propyl. Close bracket. And name of parent carbon chain is nonane. From there, nonane. Continuation, right? Nonane. Next structure is very big. First identify what is the longest carbon chain here.
Sir?
Yeah, tell me.
Sir, well, naming in the exam, we should write even the structure.
In exam, they are giving structure. You don't need to write again structure. Just write name.
Sir,
Suppose if they give name, write structure.
Sir, maybe they will add marks for numbering also.
No, you won't check this and all. If you that is in the during the learning stage explaining this numbering and all.
Okay, sir.
I think if you write, that's better. These are questions are giving for 1 mark only. Right, CH3, CH2, 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 CH. CH2, CH3, CH3, CH2, CH3. CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. And this carbon linked to ethyl group, CH2, CH3. So here I'm going to be given new rule. Listen that carefully. First select longest carbon chain.
Sir, all are 10.
Straight chain.
10 carbons are there.
Yes, sir.
In one chain only 2 directions. Okay, let's count. Straight chain have 10. Another possibility 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only. So it is not accepted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This also have 10. This shape also have 10. Straight chain also have 10. So
Sir,
in
my
this case,
preference is there to the straight one, right? Because there is ethyl group also.
okay, listen. So here one rule is there. Suppose number of carbon means in the parent carbon chain, number of carbons are same. In such case, the parent carbon chain that is attached to more side chains, to that we have to give first preference. The parent carbon chain which having more number of side chains, that we need to give first preference. So here now tell me which one having more substrates side chain or this reverse L shape.
So the second one.
Sir, the below one, straight.
This one. Straight
Yes,
one
sir.
having
Because
straight one having only 2 chains, this one and this one, right? 2 only.
yes, sir.
But if you take this one, see how many comes? 1, 2, 3 are coming.
Yes, sir. 3 also. Yes, sir.
So that we have to select now. So give numbering from downward side only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is
So
very easy to give.
why can't you give it from the top? Like, is it compulsory to be from the
Yeah. If you take only straight chain, it have, see here the same number of carbons are there, no? In this direction and this straight chain have same 10 number of carbons. So in that case, the carbon chain which having more number of side chains, that treated as
No,
parent
sir,
carbon chain.
that's not my doubt. My doubt is like, why can't you number from the top?
No, then here substrate get big number, no?
Okay,
That's
right.
what.
Yeah.
Here maybe it will give from this side 8 will come. That's very big number.
Yes, I am.
Okay. Okay, third position methyl 3,3 dimethyl. Okay, at fifth position branched chain is there. So again we have to give numbering. The carbon attached to parent carbon chain is 1 prime, it's 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime.
Sir, what if they give like bond line? Then how can we decide?
Bond line, why not? We can decide in bond line also.
Sir, that time it will be like confusing because we think the lines are as one carbon.
Okay, write me this name. I will give that bond line formula. I think very easy bond line formula. Very easy they compared to this. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 carbons. So from that side, third position ethyl group is there. And at fifth position, 4, this is the position. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. No, more. This is 1, 2, no. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again, second carbon, 2 methyls are there. That's all.
Sir, but sir, so here each line is a bond, not an atom.
Each line is each line is bond. These edges are indicating CH3 groups.
Okay, sir, got it.
What is its name?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, both the substituents, like on the left and the right, they have position 5, right? How are you supposed to name them?
From which side 5?
Like,
No. We are talking about if you give numbering this side, it comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comes, no?
No. Like, nothing, sir.
And also here 2 methyls are there. We need to give lowest possible number to this also.
Yes, I understood that. That's not my question.
What is name?
Sir, 3,3 dimethyl,
Oh,
5 bracket.
no. Whatever. First write this name now.
Okay, yes, sir, alphabetical order. Yes.
Ethyl coming at second prime position.
Sir, so name will be 5 bracket 2 prime ethyl propyl dash 3,3 dimethyl decane, right?
5. Okay. 5. 2 prime. Here ethyl group is there. So 2 prime ethyl. 2 prime ethyl. These are 4 carbons. Butyl. Close bracket. 2 prime ethyl butyl. And write now name of this. These are in parent carbon chain only. That's what simply write 3, 3 dimethyl. 3, 3 dimethyl. And name of parent carbon chain is decane. That's all. In the hydrocarbon chapter, exercise 1 and okay, I will assign you that questions also. Practice this. They are only giving IUPAC name. In first chapter, not there much IUPAC name. Second chapter we have. You write those questions as assignment, either today or tomorrow only. Don't take much time gap. If you give gap, you will forget how to give the naming.
Sir, can you explain the online formula once? Like after the you drew the side chain, no sir, like side branch. That part can you explain?
Why it means how to write that one line formula?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like I understood, like the straight chain I understood. After that, like somewhat confusing.
So from here to here, 10 carbons are there, no? This 10 carbon, 1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. From any side you count.
Yes, sir.
This side 1, 2, third carbon. So 1, 2, 3. This is the third carbon. Here ethyl group is there. Means CH2, CH3. CH2, see this is CH3. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 at fifth carbon. 2, 3, 4 at fifth carbon here. Here number of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4 are there, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here again this carbon, not this carbon. Having 2 methyl groups, this and this. So write like this.
Sir, like the first one was like some rough diagram, so I didn't understand.
This
This is good, sir. Proper.
okay, so this naming is over. Next we'll see ring compounds, benzene ring structures. This is benzene.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me.
Sir, this new strain they're telling no, sir. Like, is it more dangerous than the before one?
Yes.
Like what carbon compound does it consume, sir, to become so strong? Like how is it like mutating so fast, sir? Like everywhere, South Africa also we observed. Even in Sydney now they are telling same
Hmm.
strain they found. Like
Hmm.
how did it happen, sir? All of a sudden,
That
like
mutation.
11 months, it was like acting like a small baby, and suddenly it's going at giant wins. Now it's 8 cases, sir, in India.
Yeah.
Just now, like one was like suddenly again we are feeling scared, sir. Like
That is mutation happens. Means some structural changes happens. I think in biology students know much about this. In the DNA structure also small changes occurs.
yes, sir, DNA
So
variations. They
uh,
like they
normal
variated.
COVID-19
Like
having protein spikes, no?
yes, sir.
Yes. So depending upon this protein spikes and which chemical is suitable to kill this virus, this 8 months are nearly took 9 months of time to find what is need perfect
Now another
molecule to kill this
11 months, I think.
yeah virus. But what happened? This virus is muted. Some change happens in these protein spikes. Changes happen. Now the chemical or the
They'll grow more,
vaccine
I
what
think.
they prepared that is of
Like,
course it is working but not 100% as worked here, not that much work or progress we are
only
not seeing in this new virus. Small changes occurs in these protein chains.
Sir, like even one carbon chain goes also, the whole thing will.
Yeah, yeah,
So then it will be very difficult, like in every
that's what I'm very difficult.
time, sir.
Hmm? This is toluene, OCH3. This is methoxybenzene. Common name is using anisole. Aminobenzene.
So should
Common
we
name?
write this?
Yes, yes, right. Common name is aniline.
Sir, here position doesn't matter, right?
Position here only one position are not a matter. If there are two position, we have to give numbering.
Okay, sir.
So what headings do we write for this?
No need just write as in structures only. No need to keep any subheading. Nitrobenzene. Okay, next few more structures. Benzaldehyde. Benzoic acid. In NCFE, they gave exam timetable. Barkov?
Sir, Jan 18th, sir. From Jan 18th, our pre-board starts.
Chemistry? When do you have chemistry?
So the dates haven't come still.
Not confirmed. Okay. Full syllabus completed in school?
So 2 more chapters left.
Two more chapters left, sir.
Which chapters?
Sir, P block elements and
S
one more
block
chapter.
elements,
Sir, she's almost done with S block elements.
hydrogen and its compounds.
So she finished that. Like there were many deleted portions in hydrogen, so
So
she
anyhow,
completed that
better
early.
to prepare S block, P block, and hydrogen its compound. So I mean, there is no logics. Just some question and answer. Prepare yourself.
Sir, it's
I'm not sure by the time it completes or not, but no doubt organic chemistry and redox reactions I will complete, and I will tell you some important questions in S block, P block, and hydrogen its compound. Hardly 20 to 30 questions. Prepare those. Any difficult?
Sir, there are equations, like more of
Yeah,
equations.
that's what, more equations. Like we can't do anything. There is no logic. In organic chemistry, there is some logic how to write equation and where is more reactivity. But in organic chemistry, no, we don't have that. It is just by adding only equations.
Sir, is environmental chemistry deleted?
Deleted, that chapter completely deleted.
So then she has only one more chapter to complete.
Sir, in JEE, environmental chemistry is not coming, right?
No, not coming. Okay, write some names. What is the name of compound? If only one bromine is there, we call bromobenzene. But now two
Sir,
bromines are
1, 2
there.
dribromo.
1, 2. 1 and 2 positions bromines are there. Now 1, 2 dibromobenzene. Write this name. And this name also. Priyanka, what is second compound? This is second structure name.
Sir, can I tell?
Wait, Priyanka.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is the name of the second structure?
1,3 dibromobenzene.
1, 3 dibromobenzene. Vaishnavi, third structure. Okay. Write that name, and next structure is chlorine here NO2, here also NO2. So from where have you start numbering?
Chlorine.
From Cl or from NO2, right?
Oh, okay. See, while writing benzene ring,
Sir, from second I know too.
keep somewhat big size 0. Don't keep like dot. Keep big 0. Okay, see, suppose if I start numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. Calculate how much it is sum. 1 plus 3 plus 4.
8.
8.
Okay, now give from here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 1 plus 3 plus 6.
10.
Okay, it is not accepted. And give from here 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 plus 2 plus 4.
7.
7. So this is the lowest number. This is the correct way of numbering. So always whenever groups are side by side, better to give from there only 1, 2, 3 positions. Now tell me, this is 1, 2, this is 3, 4, 5, 6. One position chlorine is there. So 1 chloro. 2 and 4th position nitro groups are there. 2, 4 dinitro. 2, 4 dinitro benzene.
Sir, is it necessary to write di, tri, and etc.?
Must. Here 2 nitro groups are there. Must have to write di.
Sir, but 2, 4 already indicates there are 2, right?
So 2, 4, what is there? That means we have to write that dibromo, sorry, dinitro or dichloro, whatever, must represent that number. How many are there? OME means methyl on ME means ET, sometimes ET is writing, that means ethyl.
Sir, what were you saying?
Methyl sometimes writing as ME. Suppose ethyl group is there, that is writing ET, ethyl.
Sir, why do we write like that?
Shortcut sometimes writing. So instead of sometimes benzene ring giving like this pi. CS3 here. What is the name?
Sir, 1 methoxy, 2 chloro, 3 methyl.
Sir, it's
benzene.
2 chloro.
Yes,
Just tell-
first 2
Yes,
chloro.
sir. First, chloro only will come.
2 chloro.
Yeah, alphabetically.
Okay. 2 chloro. Numbering from this side 1, 2,
1 methoxy,
4, 5,
4.
6. I think you no need to write 1 methoxy also, because I think, okay, if you write is correct only, not wrong. Benzene, if directly attached to OCH3, what is its name? I gave in base structure.
Methoxybenzene.
No, another name also there.
Anisole.
Anisole.
Yes, you can write directly anisole. So here 2 chloro, 4 methyl, anisole. Okay, otherwise you may write like that also. 2 chloro, 1 methoxy, 4 methyl benzene also correct.
Sir, out of methyl and methoxy, which would come first? Because they
Methoxy
both
only.
have.
Methoxy.
Okay.
Try this name. ET means ethyl, that meaning.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Tell me.
Sir, in the earlier diagram, can we write 2 chloro, 1 methoxy toluene?
No, instead of toluene, 1 methox again. Okay. Benzene with methyl group, you want to write toluene. Okay,
Yes, sir,
but
we can write that also.
compared to benzene with methyl group, benzene with OCH3 having better preference.
Sir, is the second one 4 ethyl 2 methyl aniline.
Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here ethyl group is there, C2H5, 4 ethyl, 2 methyl. Benzene with NH2 group name is aniline. Try this also. What is its name? This one.
So dimethyl benzene.
How
So
can
what do you call benzene with OH group?
See, I gave no that structure also. Didn't give benzene with OH.
Sir, it's phenol, right?
Phenol. Phenol.
So I guess you didn't
Sir,
give
you
it.
didn't give, sir.
Didn't give?
No,
No, sir,
sir.
you
No,
didn't
no,
give.
no, no. I think in. Okay, right. That is phenol. Benzene with OH. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. So
So
3
we
and
go
4th
the other
position.
direction, right? We
Sir,
start.
instead of that, we can mark from CH3 itself, right?
Yes, sir. It will be a lesser.
Yes, sir. Then we can ignore OH and write as phenol.
So if you are writing phenol means first preference you have to give OH. However, it is a
Understand,
big
sir?
number comes. If see we are writing phenol means the first number you are giving to OH group attached carbon.
So,
So is it 3,4 dimethyl?
3, 4
Phenol.
dimethyl phenol is okay. Suppose if we don't want to give number here, you want to write separately, means 1, 2 dimethyl 4 hydroxybenzene you can write. Okay, then instead of write benzene with OH group directly, phenol is better. Write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4, 3, 3, 4 dimethyl phenol. So whenever we are using these base structures, that group attached benzene first, that's giving first number. Here also give number, here also first number, here also must give first number. And this is benzene attached to CH2.
sir, we have to give here primes, right?
CH3. No. I will tell this name. So this is considered as a parent carbon chain. Now benzene ring we consider as a substituent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, name is at second position also
2,
bromine, third position also bromine.
3
2, 3
bromo,
So shouldn't it be from right to left?
dibromo.
No. Here first carbon
Okay,
linked to
okay.
benzene ring, and second carbon also have, third carbon also have substituent. That's what. 2, 3 dibromo and 1 phenyl. Benzene ring means don't write 1 benzyl, 1 benzene. That write phenyl. Phenol is different. Phenyl is different. Phenol is when benzene is directly linked to OH group. We are calling that is phenol. Hello. Yes, are you hearing me? Benzene with OH group, we are calling it is phenol. Something chain is attached to directly benzene ring, some chain